Hey guys, Cyberdena here, and in this week's video I'll be doing a triple unboxing of some Antipodean witch boxes that I've had sitting around for a few months. From memory, I think I have February, March and April, but we will find out when I open them up. So a lot has happened with Antipodean witch over the last few months. I don't know how many of you guys are subscribed to the Antipodean witch and have seen the goings on. But due to the world events, I suppose, and just maybe not being completely prepared for it taking off how it did, the previous owner struggled to keep up with demand. With the post, items were either not arriving to her or were arriving late, so boxes were going out very late, and due to them being themed to the moons, that made it very hard to use them for the moons. I put mine on pause earlier in the year and I just haven't opened these ones, obviously. But a few weeks ago, there was a post on the Antipodean Witch Box page to say that it has been bought by a new witch. They are rebranding it as the High Priestess, so I'll probably get at least one of those boxes just to see what they're like, although they will be more expensive. These are $49 a month, which includes shipping, and the High Priestess I think are going to be $69 including shipping, but from what I understand, the new owner is going for high quality, locally made items, not overloading the boxes, but also not underwhelming. So like I said, I'll probably get one to see what it's like, see if I want to continue. But for now, let's open these three boxes and see what I think. I'm going to do these slightly differently to how I normally do, so let's get into it. I just opened all of these to check which is which, so I have February, March and May, which kind of means that there's just one in between missing, maybe. We'll find out. Let's start with February. This is the Red Moon box from the 27th of February. So I'm just going to go through the pamphlet and find the items as I go. So this box contains a witch's ladder kit. So this has some red ribbons, some red feathers and some wooden ladder spokes so that you can make a witch's ladder. I can see the ribbon and I can see the wooden spokes. I assume that the feathers are probably in the box then. So it has information about how to make your witch's ladder. We have a Celtic Triskells pendant. Some Llama's Love incense, so it has dragon's blood and roses scents. That actually smells quite nice. I don't mind that. Some consecrated bath salts for love. Our love sigil and affirmation. I recognize the love all around me and my heart is open and ready to receive abundant love. I think that receive is spelt wrong, but that might just be me. We have a spell candle made of soy wax. And a herb, which is a lady's mantle. It smells fine. And we have crystal of flame jasper. So there are 3 pieces in there. There's also the usual red moon love ritual, and on the back we have some love deities and a recipe for Lammas cornbread loaf. Okay, there is a feather in here. I just couldn't see it. So that is the February box. Let's move on to the March box. So this is the Koala Moon box for the 29th of March. So in this month's box we have a Not Magic keychain set. So there's a few beads, some cord, and a split ring for your keys. It also has a little thing of how to do some different knots, or a knot. We have the Strength Sigil and Affirmation. With each challenge, I step into my own strength and my resilience grows. We have a Bind Rune Stone for strength. We have a Petite Pendant, Petite Pentacle Pendant. We have a Consecrated Bath Bomb for strength. We haven't gotten a bath bomb before, so that's exciting. We have 2 soy tea light candles. The Autumn's Strength incense, very woody scent to them. The herb of the month is juniper berries, and the crystal of the month is tiger's eye. And then there's also the Koala Moon Strength ritual. And on the back we have some strength deities and a Mabon chai apple slices recipe. So that is the March box. So I can see why people were a little bit put out with these boxes. There is a lot less in them, just the one crystal type and the one herb, which is also good because they were sending out a lot of superfluous things, I think. But, you know, you can't really win. People like lots of things, people don't like lots of things. Who knows what the best option is? And here we have the May box, which is the Bat Moon box. Although I think this might actually have 2 in it, because I can see a different coloured paper underneath the purple. And yes, there is a booklet there for Echidna Moon for April. So it's actually a quadruple unboxing. And it looks like everything is all mixed up in just one thing. So let's go through both books at the same time and try and work out what everything is and where everything's from. I'm going to turn the books so I can read them. Sorry. So the May box is about success and the April box is about health. So let's see. So the first item for the May box is an iron protection charm kit. So it has some nails, some little glass beads and some twine. And for the April box there is an amulet charm bag kit. So it has black felt fabric, orange thread, a needle and a template for the bag. Everything is contained in between the piece of paper and the piece of black felt. Okay, so the stones in here are actually elemental stones, and they have the information on the next page in the May book. In the May box we have consecrated bath salts for success. In the April box we have another consecrated bath bomb for health. This is a melon and orange blossom. And this is lavender and all the normal sea salt stuff. For the April box we have some Echidna's Blessing incense cones which have sandalwood, frankincense and earthy scents. And for the May box we have some Nighttime Whispers incense with sandalwood and anise. In the April box we have some Joss paper spell parchment in purple with pink and yellow with red kind of print on it. And in the May box we have a moon pendant with a nice little star with it as well. For the April box we have some soy candles. The herb for April is jasmine flowers and the herb for May is peppermint leaf. And the crystal for April is orange aventurine, just 2 pieces this time instead of 3 like the other months. And for May it is some basalt lava, which are some pretty big chunks in there. And then we have our sigils and affirmations for success for May and health for April. I honor and nurture myself, advocating for my health in all things without guilt. Success is invited into my life as I courageously chase my dreams. And then both have their normal rituals in them. And on the back of the April, we have some health deities and a jasmine infused honey recipe. And on the back of the May, we have some liminal deities and a peppermint lemonade recipe. So, like I said, I will get the first of the High Priestess boxes when they come out in October, and I will unbox and let you know my thoughts. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.